Hey, welcome back to the channel, and guess what? We have the actual 27 Tall T Gold Rush done. I'm not going to show you too much. I'm going to go over it when we get to California at the Mooneyes event. But we are going to be putting it in that box. And I got some helpers with me. What's your name, little fella?
My name's Tristan.
Tristan, all right, man. You going to do a good job? Found it. All right. And we got Julie here.
The mom.
The mom, you know. So, and then we got Timmy, you know. So, all right, we're going to get this stuff in play here, and then we will click back. So, we got the car hooked up. And you know what? Yes, I pulled the damn freaking thing in there, and then for you guys, I rolled it back out. Tim's laughing at me still. And Julie. And Tristan. Alright, so you know what? I'm going to make this little fella a cameraman. You want to be the cameraman? Alright, just hold it here. Don't hit that button. That's the button. Hold it right there and just, yeah, right like that. Just like you want to make it, you know? Alright. You're cameraman 3 now. We have a cameraman 2. You're 3. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Off. He did good. Let's all clap for him. So, all right, we got this thing in here, and I did air everything out in here because it was dusty. So, all right, we're gonna get this thing leashed down, and then the next time you're gonna see us is in California. We are having Wildman from Mooneyes, Japan, do some artwork on the T. So got to get it up in the air because it's too damn low.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss.
We're on YouTube. Is this guy enjoying the... Hi! You enjoying the cars? Yeah, those are awesome, aren't they? Got the new up and coming Whoa, all right, we got it all coming out of it. Stay right there. It's amazing. Yeah. I did my other part years ago. Thank you.
This is yours.
Yep. We are back. The tea is back home, safe at Cross Country Garage headquarters. Maybe it's headquarters here. I don't know. Car did good. Had a lot of people checking it out, and that's what it's all for, you know. Want to give a good shout out to Mooneyes, Bob, Chico, Wildman. Everybody made it a real fun time. Also want to say thanks to Dennis and John, who were a tremendous help with me. I couldn't do this without them. And yeah, everything worked out good. Had some artwork done here. My moon eyes. And then my gold rush there. So, well, this is going to be a wrap. Thanks so much for checking out the videos. There's going to be a second video as well of the tour, shop tour, and the store tour for Moon Eyes in Santa Fe Springs. It's got a lot of history there, and I tried to capture most of it. Definitely check that out, because if you can't go see it, I threw a video in. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.